Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about one of the most creative and visually appealing industry in the world, graphic designing. Graphic designing is the process of creating visual contents for different platforms including print, digital and multimedia. It involves combining text, images and other elements to convey a message or idea. From logos, brochures and posters to website, apps and social media graphics, graphic designers use their creativity and technical skills to bring a brand's vision alive. Graphic designing is a vast and dynamic field that requires a deep understanding of color, typography, composition and visual hierarchy. Designers must have an eye for detail as well as excellent communication to effectively collaborate with clients and other stakeholders. The creative process in graphic designing usually begins with brainstorming session, followed by sketching and prototyping, and finally the production of final design. Designers use a variety of tools and software including Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign to create visually stunning and engaging designs. Graphic design is not just about making things look pretty. It's about understanding the client needs, audience and brands and creating a design that not only looks great but also effectively communicates the desired message. Whether it's for print or digital, graphic design plays an essential role in creating a strong brand image, engaging with customers and building a memorable visual identity. So that's what graphic designing is all about. If you are interested in this field, I highly recommend exploring different design styles and techniques and getting hand-on experience with graphic design software. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your passion for design into fulfilling and rewarding career. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel for great content. I will see you in the next one.